I'm Dr. Michael Stonington, an orthopedic surgeon with Stonington Orthopedics and Joint Replacement, a service provided by Memorial Health System.
I'm Martin, and I've had both of my hips replaced by Dr. Stonington in the last year, and a total life changer for me.
I remember when I first met Martin in the clinic, he really had a significant difficulty with even just walking. His hips were so deteriorated, they were frozen up, so to speak, and he just had a difficulty moving his hips through the gait cycle, which means just simply normal walking. It was very painful for him, but a testament to him, he's so tough that he could still push through it and amazingly be able to do some of his work at Home Depot.
My very first visit with Dr. Stonington was to be evaluated, to get my x-rays done, and when I met him, immediately had a connection with him, especially because he wears cowboy boots. It was kind of funny. It's like I have quite a few pairs of my own.
So Martin has severe osteoarthritis of both his hips. It's basically a wearing away of cartilage, but his osteoarthritis was so advanced that the bone had actually eroded and was wearing away. He also had cyst formation around his hip joints, and there was very limited movement of the hips. What we decided to do was to do staged total hip replacements using an innovative technique called a direct superior approach. The very interesting thing about this approach is that it's a muscle sparing approach. You do not cut major tendons, and you can actually do it through an incision, sometimes just about this big.
Oh my gosh, what a difference. It's just amazing. That's why I'm here today. It's just, I got my life back, unbelievably.